So we all spend our income in some or other way. That's inevitable, right? But do we get something in return? Like maybe sometimes we get points. But have you heard of 100% cashback? Not sure, right? Okay. Have you ever wished to get 100% cashback on somebody else's purchases as well? Here's the one and only app in the whole world, Teka, that gives its customers this offer, and that money is directly credited into your bank account. Unbelievable, right? For vendors, Teka showers rock solid support, which ranges from a pan shop to a large supermarket. The whole world has become so online friendly and wants everything at their doorstep. Teka helps in restoring of the disrupted retail stores with less or no turnover. Yes, Teka is born to truly empower both the retail stores and the customers. Let's see now, how does Teka act as a pillar of strength to its outlets? Teka has a customer acquisition application model for all its vendors. In Teka, customers are pampered to become loyal to the retailers through its referral system, scratch card system, and cash back model system. It minimizes customer acquiring expenses for the retailers by providing ready-made customer base to its merchandise fraternity. Firstly, nearby competitors of our outlet wouldn't be part of Teka, which would directly result in the increase in the share of our outlet. And how about online stores? They usually provide the product with less or even no discount. Whereas purchasing through Teka, a customer gets a product with a lot of discount, points, and above all, 100% cashback. This is truly unprecedented. This will of course reflect in the increase of sales in your outlet as the customer benefits more. So he chooses Teka over anything any day. Teka has a model which is called repetitive buying model. The user of this app will just have to buy anything worth Rs 1500 every month, which is on average very less for our monthly expenses. And this is to remain active and gain points on purchases to get 100% cashback. Yes, Teka provides 100% cashback on the points of purchases. Once they purchase, they gain points. And once they gain points, they get 100% cashback, which gets credited directly into their bank account. And in an emergency situation, a user can use his points to get money into his bank account by just purchasing through Teka. Of course, customers go crazy about scratch cards, and Teka provides scratch cards up to 10,000 rupees, which drives the customers to only use Teka. That is all about being and having loyal customers. If a Teka outlet wants its new Teka users to be loyal and not switch outlets, they can apply for a special loyalty bonus, which means the customers would get more reward points. And eventually, they become loyal customers who do not switch outlets. We all like to have multiple income channels, right? Interestingly, if the owner of an outlet would like to have this, then Teka is the savior. The owner should just transform his customers by introducing them to Teka through his personal referral Teka ID and grab all the benefits. Let's just say if anyone in your group purchases an Audi car with the Teka points, he is definitely going to get 100% cashback into his bank account directly. And of course the car. Now you would definitely want to Google the cost. Teka safeguards the Teka outlets who are in turmoil. Like you can see the logo, exactly like that, Teka is born to lift its outlets on its shoulders. It's very simple. Form a big group, keep purchasing, keep getting points in your purchases, earn dhamakas, which is 100% cashback on your points of purchases, and double dhamakas, which is on your group's points of purchases. Certainly directly into your bank account. What are you waiting for? Download now and build your team.